Welcome to Neli's Nook. My name is Nelly, and I would like to share with you little tips if you decide to do a round photo strip fold. There are a couple of different options that you can fold while you are attaching your photo strips on the edge of the book, and it depends on what you are literally looking for. There are a couple of different fold of the paper that you need to do in order to put that book in the round shape. I finished the video for the fold that was on the video, which you can see over here. It's all finished up. So with this fold, you have couple of options, and I'm sure that somebody will figure out something more than this, but I'll show you a couple of options and tell you advantages and disadvantages of this. The first fold is this. You can, when you have a book, and it doesn't really matter what size of the book. This is a full height of the book. I will create patterns that would fit smaller size and the full size of the book patterns. This one I created literally, I cut the pages in half and I created this little book fold. So you can, for this style, with this style, you will need a lot of pages. You will need at least 500 to 600 pages to finish the whole circle. Just because you have a lot of space over here from the center of the book, bigger space you leave over here, more pages you will need to finish the circle of your fold. So I will show you first how to do this one, and we will continue to the next one. So with this fold, I'll take measuring tape, and you can measure any distance. With this particular one, I took my Inca ruler and I marked my spot over here. So with this fold, with this kind of fold, so we have a lot of space over here from the center. You can measure any distance you want. I took my Inca ruler and I made a crease. I made a crease, and then I fold the paper. And you do that with all the pages around the book. Okay, so take this. Any measurements you wish. This one was just easier, and that's, make sure that it's aligned, and that's what I do. And then I will attach my strips right over here. I will attach them on the edge of my page. Okay, so that's one, and that will look like this. That's my first sample. Okay, this one looks good. However, when you start folding pages, you will need at least, I would say, 400 to 500 pages for this one, minimum, in order to make the whole circle. If you can see, my pages fold to the end, right to the edge of the book. So this fold will be done this way to the end, and that's all you do. And then you attach your strip right here. So again, I just go to the end, attach the end, the strip to the edge. However, when you have a book that you have 400 or 500 pages, this book will be very, very difficult to bend in a circle. once you get, let's say, 100 pages, it will get very difficult to work with. I have a good example of this one. This one was very difficult to curve. It's solid, but as you can see, it's fold right to the center of the book. So I would suggest not to do this fold, because it will be, you will need lots of patience, and maybe you get frustrated, you will not like it. I have another fold, which is this. So what I did with this one, I marked a space. Okay, I marked my page. My page is 14 centimeters. I want to be at least 1 centimeter from the center. So I marked myself here, and just because my book is pretty straight, I marked 13 centimeters over here, make a little hole, and that's all I need. That's all I need, really. And I will fold my page usually to the center of that hole. As you can see, it's absolutely perfectly straight. And then I fold it again to the same spot, and that will be my fold. So again, to the center of the page, and fold it again. That will fill your circle very quickly. That's a fold that it's partially done this way. This one is actually a mix of a couple of things, but with this you probably would be able to finish your book between 250 to 300 pages if you do the fold this way. The book that I have over here with this style, this one has 430 pages, and I think I could have done more. See, if I have more pages, the picture will become a very nice and solid, but even though you can see it, still see it nicely. So what I've done here, again, I would mark 1 centimeter. You do not want to go to the center. So I marked 1 centimeter from the center, and I only fold it once and then attach the strip. So no second fold. So that's all I have here. I have a fold, and I attach the strip over here. So here I have 450 pages. I think I can do probably even 500, 550, just to fill the picture a little bit better. Okay, and what this one is done with, it's very solid. This one is very, very, very solid book. Just because it had a very, very thin paper of the paper book. What I did over there, again, mark at least 1 centimeter from the center. I wouldn't mark more. I don't think that it's needed. But I took 2 pages. I took 2 pages, and I fold 2 pages at the same time. And you can do it literally with any fold. You can do it with this one. I'll try it next time. It will fill probably the space a little bit better. And I fold it again. And this way the fold, and then you attach the strip right here. And the page is very nice and thick. So again, I'll fold it to my mark. And then I fold it again. And attach the strip right to the edge. So you can see there are different, absolutely different folds depending what you want to do. With lots of patterns that you buy, you can really make them in the circle. It depends on the picture that you like. What I figured out with the circle ones that I did, you can do them in kind of half and half if you have a hard time to keep folding the pages. How I attach them, this one is done from 2 parts. And how I attach them, I actually don't even know where they are. How I attach them, I made another video. Actually, I made a video for this fold. So you will find it in that video, how I attach the 2 parts. And in order to just to cover the top, you can put any decoration on it just to make it pretty. You can just put this or anything that you like, and this way the whole book fold is, and the top is nicely covered. Well, hope this one will help, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with me, and hopefully I will be able to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.